Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video is gonna be a video about iPhone tutorial, and I would like to show you the way how to get a percentage level for your battery life. If you can see here on my iPhone, I have no percentage information about my battery level here, so I would like to add the percentage information over it to make me easier understand how many percent the battery level that I have. So the things that to get that, you just need to go into the settings. If you already have the settings on your home screen, it will be make you like faster by go click the settings and hold it, and there will be pop up here several options that you can choose. There will be a Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, mobile data, and battery. You just need to go click with the battery and you will be bring into the battery settings section. And now to add the battery percentage, you just need to turn on this button, the battery percentage. Click it to make it on, and now you already have the percentage information about your battery level on your iPhone. So that's the way how to get the percentage information for your battery level on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is really useful for you, and don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel to discover more about iPhone tutorial. See you for the next video.